Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll try to fix if your C drive on the laptop is showing a red cross mark, and see here 0.98 GB free of 48 GB. See, this is a 512 SSD laptop. This is Aspire Lite AMD Ryzen 353W laptop, which is a brand new laptop, but the user tried to partition this laptop and got this issue like the C drive is filled up and there is no other drive, but only 48 GB is showing up here and all the other GB got unallocated. How you can now fix this issue? On your search, just search as disk management, you can say, and as soon as you type disk management, you will see something like create and format hard disk. You need to just select this option. Okay, this is disk management only. See here, the actual error is with the unallocated. See, there is 427 GB on this particular laptop which is unallocated and 48 GB for the C drive. So how you can fix this is just simply right click on the C drive, and there is an option called extend volume. Click on this extend volume and then click on next. What we are doing is we are increasing the C drive GB storage from the unallocated to the C drive. Okay, see here, simply first I'll be clicking on next and I'll be clicking on finish. So all the data, means all the available data, I'll be closing this and I'll be opening this PC again. See here, 49.2 GB free of 475 GB, means all the unallocated data I just shifted to the C drive, so that now I can do the disk partition as usual. To do that, on the search, I'll just search as disk management again. As soon as I do that, this will be appearing, create, and now carefully what I'll do is I'll be right clicking on this and I'll be clicking on the shrink volume, and now I'll make a new partition with see here, enter the amount of the space to shrink in MB. Now here I need to see the total size before shrink in MB. Size of available is 43. So what I should do is, maybe I can just use like 13. So calculate this MBs into GB, then click on shrink here. Okay, see, 136 GB I partition. I'll be right clicking on this and I'll be giving a name by new simple volume and click on the next and clicking on the next, and I'll be naming this as D drive and click on next and click on finish. So I'll just try to close this and see here 135 GB for D. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.